This Tchdio doormat is a really simple upgrade that I made to my front porch, and I am really loving it. I received this doormat for free in exchange for my unbiased review. And as you can see from every angle, it effortlessly blends into my front porch space. It's clean, low profile, so my door can swing open over it, and it's stylish. The non-slip rubber backing keeps it firmly in place. There's no shifting around. And this mat is surprisingly good at picking up dirt and soaking up water. Whether it's muddy shoes or a downpour of rain, it'll handle all of that without fuss. And I really love how the highly elastic material feels soft and comfortable underfoot, even when I step on it without any shoes. Cleanup is super easy. Just grab the hose, give it a rinse, and it's as good as new. This is a solid pick if you're looking for a doormat that works hard and still looks great.